I had a client fall asleep and woken up when she shot on my bed. Oh my god, that's a flat bed.
She sharted on the bed. You try and show them the photo, but I'll also post this over the top of the video.
I thought that
She's posted a photo of like the client's
that
sharted.
was the top of like a bed, because I'm thinking recliner, but that is the middle of a bed, and there is a skitty. Yeah. We always end up talking about poo.
We always pee and poo. I mean, I hope it makes you guys feel normal if this happens in your salon, because it happens to everyone else.
Because after she sat up and slid off, it went straight through her leggings. And then someone else goes, but what did she say?
Yeah, what did she say? I want to know.
Wendy says, nothing. She said nothing. Popped right back up on the bed and like it never happened.
What? What does that mean? Was she done?
Could you you take a shot? You can smell it.
Yes. And also, did it make a noise?
Like she's waddling out of there. Like she is not.
It went through her leggings. She saw. The lash tech saw the poo. But she said she got back up on the bed. How? Why?
Well,
what?
she fucking slid off.
But she... Did she slide off on purpose though? Or like she slid off by accident because she pooed so much?
Oh my god. There's someone cute.